First, let's start with some general safety information. Installation, maintenance, and servicing are to be performed only by trained and qualified personnel familiar with commercial walk-in products. Ensure that all field wiring conforms to the equipment requirements and all applicable local and national codes. Disconnect all power sources before servicing the unit. Sheet metal and coil surfaces have sharp edges. Use appropriate protective gloves to prevent injury. And lastly, use appropriate eye protection during installation and servicing. Carefully inspect for any concealed damage. Report any shortages or damages to the carrier. Note on the bill of lading and file a freight claim. Kolpak uses a panel identification system. A product assembly drawing is shipped with each walk-in and is located in a small parts box. Each panel is labeled to aid in identification and proper placement. Panel item numbers are referenced on the product assembly drawing showing proper location for intended installation within the unit. Using the packing list and skid documentation, count the wall panels, corners, ceilings, doors, and floors where applicable. Locate and verify the accessory and hardware packages. Part of a successful installation is ensuring that the area is clear of all debris before beginning assembly. If care is not taken to assure a level base, wall and ceiling panels will not align properly, causing problems in install and operation of door panels, and potentially performance issues due to excessive air leaks. Review the floor panel layout on the assembly drawing. Panels are labeled with numbers corresponding to those on the assembly drawing. Lay out floor panels in correct sequence according to assembly drawings, making sure the flooring is level. Lock floor panels together, making sure the edges are flush and square. Review the wall panel and door sections layout on the assembly drawing. Start with the back corner and work around the unit both ways, ending with a front corner. Begin wall panel assembly by cam locking a back corner panel and one wall panel together. Work around the unit in both directions, ending at opposite corner. Ensure the edges and tops of walls are flush. Standard screeds are available in both vinyl and metal versions. Walk-ins with screeds have tubes of butyl included in the small parts box. Apply 2 beads of non-drying butyl on the bottom side of the screed. Secure the screed to the floor using supplied fasteners. This video only shows the procedure for installing one screed. Follow the same steps for all remaining screeds. To begin ceiling panel installation, use the assembly drawings for correct panel placement and sequence. Begin with an end section for a single compartment enclosure or a T-panel for a multi-compartment enclosure. Place ceiling panels in position per the assembly drawings on top of the wall panels. Do not lock ceiling panels to the walls at this time. Then check the panel alignment. Cam lock the ceiling panels together. After several ceiling panels are in position and locked together, check all wall to ceiling joints for flush fit and proper alignment. Then lock the ceiling panels to the wall panels. We will next review the door section installation. It's important to keep the door section locked to prevent door from opening while handling. This will prevent any safety concerns for those handling it, as well as damaging the door. Check the door section with a level to ensure it will close properly for a tight seal. After all wall panels and door sections are assembled, lock them into the floor or screed. Ensure that all remaining wall, floor, and ceiling panel locks are engaged prior to adding plug buttons. Remove protective covering from panels if applied. Check that all cam locks are engaged. Insert plug buttons into the cam lock wrench access holes and firmly tap in place using a rubber mallet. Plug buttons supplied for walls and ceilings are vinyl. Plug buttons supplied for floors are either stainless steel or high-strength plastic. If you need additional assistance installing your walk-in or you have any other technical questions, please visit our website at wellbuilt.com, or you can email us or call us at the number below. We want to help you have a successful installation.